compressors that puts them doggone extreme microphones together in a D104. You know what I want to know? I want to know where that man is down there in the Bighorn that likes to take them extreme microphones and put them inside a D104. Audioman on the hunt, and I'm reading the mail.
Don't get back on 131. Don't get back on 131. 559 South Carolina. Back out.
Yes, 131, the Cracker Man, Southwest Great Lakes, Sunshine, right?
Where you at, come down? I hear you, I do.
Hello, 95. Hello, 95 around Iowa. 950559 South Carolina, Wayman.
Of a doggone D104. Ain't no doubt. I like to get him up on modulation in my radio there. Break up. Yeah, I believe I'm friends with that duck plucker up on YouTube. I believe I am friends with that duck plucker up on YouTube, ain't no doubt. Hey, 131, you're sounding bodacious out here in the bluegrass. Your friend, truck in the bluegrass, waving. 131, 27, hot rod in the Carolinas, waved and got down. About up there around the little land. I think you said White Cloud up in Indiana was talking to you. If you would throw a nickel to him, tell him Truck down here in the bluegrass saying hello. Hey, 131, you're sounding good as always, and I appreciate you. You stream live streaming, no doubt, Mr. 131, your friend, Truck in the bluegrass. Just got down. Right, the Carolinas wave, Sunday afternoon wave, and I got down. Bluegill, hey Bluegill, out there on the west side. You got a copy on this Georgia station. Hey, Bluegill, old 26 Rooster out in the beach trying to get in your radio breaker. But I'd rather there 131, you sounding great out here around Georgia. Got that hi-fi audio going on. Glad, say it out loud, receiver, let me tell you about it. Sounding real good out here today around the beach, man. Appreciate you with the wave. Yeah, man, hope things are going good for you.
appropriate Georgia weekend. Old 26 Rooster out here in the northeast corner of Georgia. We gonna wave that step to the side. Well, I tell you what, Mr. Bluegill. Hey, Mr. Bluegill, I know I'm having the best Mother Nature right about now around the west side, but I'm gonna try to get up your receiver. Well, I just heard you bump it down there calling 27 there. I didn't know. I got a good friend up around North Carolina up there on the northern top side of North Carolina, and he likes to use those numbers 27. I thought it might have been that 27 hot rod he was talking to. Just thought I might get him to flip a nickel out on. But anyway, 131 sounding good around a peach. I'm going to get back out of the way now. Old 26 getting out of the road. Hey, the time, Mr. 131. Hey, Mr. 131, we're a good sound radio station. Hey, good show. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. 131, 27 hot rod in the Carolinas waving. Got down.
Don't blow in that smoke. You coming back into Georgia yourself. Was that about a 1, 2, 3? To say hello to you across that beautiful world of sound. No get back, Mustang Radio. Audioman with no conditions is gone again. How about that convict 234? Convict got a copy on the Rooster in Georgia.
Yeah, we use a little live gauge there to check between the driver and the little bit bigger driver. There's definitely a difference. Mr. 131. Now we're going to go to the ground plane and we're going to check it there while we're monitoring your use. Hello. Hello. There, hello, radio. Lord have mercy. Listen to all that northern traffic out here on this southbound radio.
Hey, Leroy, come to watch his back. Hey, Leroy, just let him know I said watch his back. I'm going again. New York State.
Oh, yeah, keep on doing what you're doing there, 108. We heard you. Southeast Alabama, the old escaped convict. I'm just hiding out.
I heard all from my doctor.
Out there, outlaw. Hey, outlaw. Definitely a noticeable difference between the beam and the ground plane, no doubt. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. We'll get back quiet and let everybody else get back at it. Your friend trucking the bluegrass, and I'm gone. Alabama 303, the old escaped convict. And I heard it all, big brother. Not no outlaw. Hey, outlaw. Banjo in Tennessee, all right. You got to sound good, don't touch the thing. Leave it right where it is, because it's definitely doing. TMOL 131, have some good, man. Sounding good. Catch you later, Banjo. Gone.
Hey, Carpet, where'd you go, Break?
Hey, 131, good evening time to you, buddy. I hope you and the family's having a great weekend, no doubt about it. 131, 27, hot rod in the Carolina Hills wave, the weekend wave, got down. Hey, Turbo, is that you? Hey, Turbo, is that you there, Break?
Yeah, 410, man. started up a video thinking you were going to jaw jack there for a little while, and about 10 minutes later now I'm like, oh, where'd he go?
You got Mother Nature. Hey, Turbo, I don't have Mother Nature, man. Looks like a doggone train wreck on this side. Hey, Turbo, nothing but an Amtrak train wreck there, Break.
Yeah, 410, man. It's pretty busy on this end, too, but you got some pretty solid Mother Nature, at least around my town, man.
Yeah, 410. 410, well, I ain't got you that hard, man. You don't have Mother Nature that good. You said, I got Mother Nature coming your way. But I reckon you don't have Mother Nature your way, coming back this way, no doubt about it. Good afternoon time, Mr. Turbo. Your friend on the East Coast, carpets on this mail.
410, brother. I just let you know I'm still rolling it in the event you get someone to jaw jack with. I think I'm localized a little better down around the Peach, man. Those guys are coming in here a little harder, but who knows, dude? I'm going to sit on back. You take it easy, Carpet. Old Turbo cruising. This driver's gone.
I tell you what, Turbo. Hey, Turbo, that Carpet, tell him I truck in the bluegrass waving a hand. I believe he's back east to me. Turbo, you let the Carpet know that.
And somebody else has got my ears, man. Hey, Turbo, I ain't got you in my radio. Them boys has got my ears, no doubt about it. Turbo, Carpet, go. How you doing, man? 388, Great Lakes, baby. Yeah, Double Nickel, you got my ears, sure enough. Hey, Double Nickel, you sure do got my ears, no doubt about it, man. You've been plugging my ears for the past 10 to 15 minutes, man. Hello, Double Nickel, Carpet, East Carolina, back out.
Let me see if I can't help out for a second there, Carpet. Old truck in the bluegrass is rolling a 5 your way, and I'm going to see if I can't take old Double Nickel out of your receiver there, Carpet man. Old Turbo got down.
Right there, Turbo.
Come out there, Turbo. Hey, Turbo, break it.
Turbo, you got where you belong. I'll see you.
Did you catch the 5 from truck out of the bluegrass then, Break? Shifting around on my end too. I think he said old 131's got me laid back. So anyway, old truck out of the bluegrass is putting a wave on you, and whoever that was breaking for me there, go ahead, man.
Hey, Turbo, I just wanted you to tell Truck that BillyBob over here in the grass said hello too, man. Hey, Turbo, I just wanted to let you know that you sounding good over here around my side of the bluegrass, and tell Truck that I did say hello, BillyBob in Kentucky with the wave I see.
I'll do just that there for you, BillyBob. I must be sitting around Kentucky a little bit better than everywhere else because you guys are screaming in here. Hey, Truck, old BillyBob right around your stack of bricks is waving a 5 your way, and I'm gone.
How about you, BillyBob? BillyBob, 388 Great Lakes, waving.
Well, that was a mess. I thought I heard Carpet. I know I heard Hot Rod, and then there were a few others in there. The only thing I was able to make out was there at the end. Hey, BillyBob and Truck, old 27 Hot Rod out of the Carolinas is waving your way as well.
Hey, Turbo, I tell you what, man, tell 27 I'm waving my hand too. Hey, Turbo, great big day out there around Catholic in Denver, man. Hope everything's well and swell out that way. Hey, Turbo, ain't nobody but old BillyBob. This plate modulated 6-element monster in Kentucky, I see you.
And I'm right back, BillyBob, no doubt about it. Hey, Hot Rod, he received, and he's definitely rolling that right back. There's your nickel both ways, boys. BillyBob and 27 Hot Rod. Your turbo around this mile high is gone.
Appreciate it, Turbo. I say hey one last time.
Roger, man. Good to put it on you. Take care. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, radio. 073 Georgia, reading the mail.
Top of the Sunday to you there, 7-3. You know who, right of Colorado with the wave.
Nobody but Audioman out here at the football
I don't know if I'm making it to you, man. It's rough on my end, Audioman, but I've heard you in there off and on for about the past 16 minutes there, break.
You tell that mud dog to go cook some food. Turbo, you tell that mud dog to do. 0310, he's smoking out here right about now.
Old 7-3 cut you off there, 559. You were telling me to tell that Mud Dog Audioman something, man, but I didn't pick it up there, break. Well, it's harsh, man. Between my fans and the beehive, man, I'm having a hard time. But Audioman, I'm waving at you, bro. I know you were rolling something back to carpet, but I wasn't picking it up, and I'm gone.
Yeah, tell him to grab a hold of my feet so I don't... grab a hold of my feet so I don't fall off.
I think he said, Carpet, you need to grab a hold of his feet so he don't fall off there, break.
Of trouble, speaking words of wisdom, let it be, let it be.
It's the same for me on this end too, man. I'm gonna skate out. Take it easy there, Carpet Man, Audioman, 7-3, BillyBob, truck, 27 hot rod. I hope I got y'all. Bye, bye, bye.
See you up there, Turbo. Hey, Turbo, I see you up there west, man. Good putting the boat in scope in a long time, no doubt about it. Hey, Turbo, you know who over here around Kentucky in this plate modulated monster on this great big old antenna? I see you.
Hey, no doubt, brother. Darn good to hear you on my radio once again, no doubt about it. Check it out on YouTube later on, man. You got soul control. You and that plate monster, and me and my little junk, and I'm gone. Bye, bye, bye. Yeah, buddy. Usually always do. Check YouTube for Mr. 343 Turbo, all one word. You'll find it here in about 10 minutes.
Hello, Mr. 343 Turbo. Joe the Grinder here in the Big Bam Breaker. I'm gonna ease up out of the middle of the road and see what's going on. I'm gonna stack of bricks. Hey, Turbo. Hello, Copperhead, you great big rigger, you. How's things going for you on the west side this afternoon? See ya. Bye.
Right on there, big brother. Yeah, you take it easy, man. Good to put it on you. I don't know if I got conditions or if old Copperhead's going to get over me, but Joe Gunn, I heard you wave there. I was just waiting on BillyBob, man. Putting a wave on you too, Joe Gunn, down around the Peach, man. You got some big numbers around my town. Come on down.
All right, Copperhead. Thanks for the bump down, man. Sounding good as always. Joe the Grinder, Birmingham, Alabama.
I did get up on his shoulders because I was trying to see where I could get, ain't no doubt.
Good afternoon to you, 415 San Diego. Well, that's on here real.
Joe the Grinder? Oh, it wasn't Joe Gunn. What's going on, Mr. Grinder? Old 343 on the return.
Hey, not much, man. Not much. You talked to, let's see, I believe it's 028 in Pennsylvania lately.
No, not lately. I haven't.
Yeah, man, how you got conditions, man?
Roger, Dodger. Well, I caught a couple of your gates there on YouTube, and because I know where some of his stuff comes from. Anyway, pretty nifty little outfit you got going there. Does a real good job. Hey, good gracious, what, 343? 433? Gosh almighty, I can't keep up. Too many numbers. Mr. Turbo, how about that? Sounding good down here in Birmingham. Take care. 404 Joe the Grinder.
Well, I appreciate that, Mr. Grinder. Yeah, 343 Turbo, whatever floats your boat at the time, as long as it's not late for dinner, right? Yeah, I think you might be talking about 42. He's a friend of mine I talk out of PA quite a bit with.
Yeah, appreciate it. You are absolutely correct. I tell you, I wouldn't do with numbers, especially today. I've been like Copperhead, been busier than a cat covering up crap. Much weight I can put down on.
Yeah, to be totally honest with you, I should be looking pretty good, but I'm not even entirely sure which way I'm looking. We've had 2 or 3 days of 60-plus mile-an-hour winds, so I had to swing the beam around off memory since the old rotor's not telling me where she's at there, Break. I'm not sure where I'm looking.
Roger on that. Well, you must have them headed down my way because of 30 to 35 over on you.
I'll see you.
Well, right on, Mr. Joe the Grinder. Good to put it on you, my friend. I'm getting up around 23 minutes here, and I got to cut her down and upload her and get to some other things, man, on my Sunday here. You have a blessed day out that way. Pleasure putting it on you. You take care. Old Turbo in Colorado's gone.
I really didn't, but... All right, Mr. 343. Thanks for the bump down, man. Catch me a little later. I'm going to be back over here on the side and copy the mail a little while. Joe the Grinder, Birmingham. I'm Tim, listening.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Yeah. Mr. Turbo. Hey, Mr. Turbo, hope you and your family have a great week.
Hey, 343, 426. When they roll a big high five to you there.
Well, by gosh, you rolled that right back for me. And Hot Rod, I heard you, man, when we got off the key there. Yeah, I hope you and yours have all the same. And Joe the Grinder, you tell 426 I waved a big old happy 5 at his butt. Old Turbo right around Colorado, and I'm going to let these boys have it back. Bye.
They said howdy do right back, 426. Good afternoon to you. Sounding good here in Birmingham. 404 Joe the Grinder.